Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. I appreciate joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip as always. And for this week, we're going to be diving into the topic of preserving your laptop's battery power. Pretty common thing we run across these days because we're starting to get out of our homes, maybe going to conferences, working at an office again, maybe collaborating with other people, and something that's brought up pretty often. So we're going to talk about a couple tips on how you can extend the battery power of your laptop. So one easy thing you can do is put your laptop into battery conservation mode or battery low mode. Easy way you can do that is just go to the battery icon on your laptop, typically in the bottom left hand or right hand corner of the screen. Click on that. Mine it's a sliding bar, and all I'm going to do is take it to the left, and that's going to minimize the performance or power of it to allow my battery to be extended. Or you can slide it up. It's going to take away from power but give you more optimization. So you want to take mine to the left, or you might have a button in there just saying low battery power. Click on that, and that'll conserve the power and reduce all the settings to give you the longest longevity of the battery. Now, another thing you can do too is just reduce the brightness of your screen. How I do it on my computer varies by the model. Is I just hold FN in control and hit F6, and that will dim the monitor. And then if I just do the reverse, which is FN in control, and then I hit F7, that's going to take the brightness back up whenever I do get back to my desk. Now, another important characteristic to extend the battery life of your computer is by keeping it cool. So if you're working, it's sitting on your lap or a pillow or somewhere that's not on a hard surface, that will actually bog down because the computer cannot blow the hot air away. It's going to keep it warmer, have the battery power be wasted on the conservation of that. So keep it in a high flow area and don't let it get too hot. And then the last case is if you're out and about and you have screensavers live and active. Screensavers are cool, maybe they show your personality, but they will drain that battery power just by sitting there and not give you the longevity if you are away from your desk for quite a bit of time. So I hope those tips help you out with trying to conserve or give a long longevity of your battery. However, if you do have any other IT problems that drive you nuts in your business, we'd love to chat with you about that. They see if there's something that CCS can do or offer to help and assist you. You can feel free to give us a call at 719-439-0599, or you can find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I appreciate as always for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.